We're now here at the 2023 Manila International Auto Show to check out the highly anticipated all-new Ford Territory. Since the model entered our territory back in 2020, it has seen tremendous sales growth thanks in part to its premium styling and great value for money in the compact crossover segment. The next generation Territory aims to take its success to the next level as it now have larger dimensions. It is 50mm longer and 32mm taller versus the outgoing model. The exterior design now features Ford's new global DNA design, meaning the round and bulbous fascia is replaced with a more upright and aggressive design. The front end now have a split headlight layout, meaning the DRLs are located above the main headlight, which is now located in the bumper. The outline of the grille is somewhat reminiscent of the previous gen, albeit larger now. The side profile have smooth surfacing with pronounced shoulder flanks toward the rear. Gone is the floating roof from the previous gen, and in its place is a noticeably larger greenhouse. The distinguishing feature from both trims are the wheels. The Titanium sits on 18-inch wheels, while the Titanium X have 19s with a diamond cut finish. At the rear, horizontal elements help the car widen its stance. The redesigned taillight looks inspired from the Mustang, and there are silver accents on the bumper to finish the look. Overall, the exterior has a clean, matured, and premium feel to it. Stepping inside the vehicle is easy thanks to its ride height and low door sill. Plus, the door cladding now extends all the way down, so you won't have to worry about scuffing your pants. The all-new Territory boasts a floating dual display on the dashboard. There's a standard 12-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. However, the gauges will depend on the trim you get. For the Titanium, it's a 7-inch screen, while the Titanium X gets a larger 12-inch. Other differences from the trims are the interior color. The base gets a black and blue treatment, while the higher end gets a two-tone gray and beige. The panoramic sunroof and air ionizer are also exclusive for the Titanium X, while wireless charging is available on both trims. Storage is generous throughout, and there's even a floating center console to stuff more things. This is all thanks to the new space-saving rotary shifter. There are also physical buttons here and on the dash, but my biggest gripe already is this piano black trim that attracts fingerprints as much as the number of reservations for this vehicle. Rear cabin space is very spacious, and thanks to the upright roofline, it feels light and bright inside, even without the panoramic sunroof. The rear seats don't recline but fold down 60-40 split. There's also a larger 448-liter cargo area, which is 28 liters more than the outgoing Territory. Lastly, the power liftgate is only available on the Titanium X. The all-new Territory gets a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 158 horsepower at 5,800 RPM and 248 Nm of torque between 1,300 to 3,500 RPMs. That's an increase of 17 horsepower and 23 Nm compared to the outgoing model. The biggest change, however, would be the transmission. It is now paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This should translate to a more engaging driving experience compared to the CVT from the outgoing model. There's still no all-wheel drive option here, so power still comes from the front wheels. The Territory sits on McPherson multi-link independent suspension up front and a multi-link setup at the rear. Stopping power comes from the front ventilated disc brakes and solid discs at the rear. Standard safety features include 6 airbags, front and rear parking sensors, hill assist and rollover mitigation, hill descent control, keyless entry, ISOFIX child seat attachments, blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, active park assist, tire pressure monitoring system, high-definition 360-degree camera, and exclusive for the Titanium X are adaptive cruise control with stop and go, forward collision warning, autonomous emergency brake with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation system. Okay, let's be honest, the compact crossover segment is getting crowded. Not to mention, there are now electrified competitors that promise greater efficiency. But with a 1.3 million starting price, the all-new Territory is poised to be great value for money with its larger dimensions, premium design, and advanced technology.
So not only is Ford showcasing the all-new Territory, but they are also showcasing the all-new Raptor.
Details are sparse on the Next-Gen Raptor, but it is rumored that we will get the updated 2-liter bi-turbo diesel engine from the current Ranger and Everest lineup. The Next-Gen Ranger Raptor still looks the part with blistered wheel arches and a Raptor-exclusive grille. If you're in the market for this sport utility truck, expect a launch date in the upcoming months.
Alright guys, that was a first look of the next generation Ford Territory. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.